So, sometimes, your inverter might show an alarm. These are the type of alarm that will show in the table.
For the first 4 alarm, undergrid and overgrid, they triggered upon inverter detecting unusual high or low current supply from TNB grid. This actually happened from time to time and even before the solar PV system is installed. Just that now you have the inverter as a device that tracks the pattern of the TNB supply. When you notice these 4 alarms happen, that is typically will be self-restored within 10 minutes after the TNB grid is stable. But if the alarm duration is more than 6 hours straight, or if it happens frequently more than 24 hours, do contact our customer support team for further assistance.
There are one alarm that usually it shows no grid, and what do you need to do? There are 3 reasons on why this alarm happened. The first thing is your whole house is blackout, totally blackout. If that is the case, you need to call TNB to seek for further action. But if the second things happen, where your own MCB inside this PVDB box is turned down, the things that you need to do is to bring it up. But if you still bring it up and it keeps on turned down, then you can contact us for further support. So the third things that happen, usually, if the first thing, your house doesn't black out, and these things also doesn't turn down, then there might be an interruption at your 3-phase line. So you can contact us for further assistance. Okay, so for tripping and precaution step. Tripping can happen due to some reasons. The first thing is due to current overload. The second is to lightning strike. The third is due to broken appliances inside your house. Your PV system here, the DB box act as your power to your system. So if anything happen inside your house, your current overload or breaking appliances, or any electrical surge or lightning strike,
it will isolate the PV system with your house and will not harm your house electrical system.